हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ विनीता त्रिपुरे। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ केमिस्ट्री के टॉप मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर रही हूँ। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है आने वाले कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, अवोगाड्रोस नंबर इज़। द करेक्ट आंसर इज़ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. Question number 2. The number of orbitals in a subcell is given by. The correct answer is option number B, 2l plus 1. Question number 3. Which of the following has the linear shape? The correct answer is option number A, CO2, जिसको कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी कहते हैं। Question number 4. Which of the following has the highest ionization energy? The correct answer is option number B, magnesium. Question number 5. Delta H is equal to delta U plus blank. The correct answer is option number A, P delta V. It means delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V. Question number 6. At equilibrium, the rate of forward reaction is. The correct answer is option number C, equal to reverse reaction. Question number 7. The unit of cell potential is. The correct answer is option number B, volt. Question number 8. The rate of a zero order reaction is. The correct answer is option number B, independent of concentration. Question number 9. Which of the following legend is bitendant? The correct answer is option number C, oxalate ion. Question number 10. Which of the following is an electrophile? The correct answer is option number C, BF3. Question number 11. Ozone layer is present in. The correct answer is option number C, stratosphere. Question number 12. The monomer of protein is. The correct answer is option number B, amino acid. Question number 13. The SI unit of a molar mass is. The correct answer is option number B, kg upon mole. Question number 14. 1 mole of any substance contains. The correct answer is option number B, 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles. Question number 15. The maximum number of electrons in a cell is given by. The correct answer is option number B, 2n raised to the power 2. Question number 16. Who discovered the neutron? The correct answer is option number C, Chadwick. Question number 17. The modern periodic law is based on. The correct answer is option number B, atomic number. Question number 18. The most electronegative element is. The correct answer is option number B, fluorine. Question number 19. The bond angle in water molecule is. The correct answer is option number A, 104.5 degree. Question number 20. The hybridization of carbon in CH4 is. The correct answer is option number C, sp3. Question number 21. Which gas law shows a direct relationship between pressure and temperature? The correct answer is option number C, Gay-Lussac's law. Question number 22. At STP, 1 mole of an ideal gas occupies. The correct answer is option number B, 22.4 L. Question number 23. The first law of thermodynamics is statement of. The correct answer is option number C, conservation of energy. Question number 24. In an exothermic reaction, the correct answer is option number B, delta H is smaller than 0. Question number 25. pH of a neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius is. The correct answer is option number B, 7. Question number 26. If Q greater than K, then the reaction will proceed. The correct answer is option number B, backward. Question number 27. Oxidation involves. The correct answer is option number B, loss of electrons. Question number 28. In this reaction, zinc react with copper ion to produce zinc ion and copper metal. Zn is. The correct answer is option number A, oxidized. Question number 29. Which electrode is used as a reference electrode? The correct answer is option number B, hydrogen electrode. Question number 30. Faraday's first law relates mass deposited to. The correct answer is option number D, both current and time. Question number 31. Rate law expresses. The correct answer is option number B, dependence of rate on concentration. Question number 32. The half-life of a first-order reaction is. The correct answer is option number B, independent of concentration. Question number 33. Adsorption is a. The correct answer is option number B, surface phenomena. Question number 34. Which has the highest adsorption power? The correct answer is option number A, powdered charcoal. Question number 35. Legions donate. The correct answer is option number B, electrons. Question number 36. In hexaamine cobalt ion, the oxidation state of CO is. The correct answer is option number B, +3. Question number 37. IUPAC name of CH3CH2OH is. The correct answer is option number A, ethanol. Question number 38. The functional group in aldehyde is. The correct answer is option number C, CHO. Question number 39. The first member of alkyne series is. The correct answer is option number C, ethyne. Question number 40. Alkanes are also known as. The correct answer is option number A, paraffins. Question number 41. Teflon is a polymer of. The correct answer is option number C, tetrafluoroethylene. Question number 42. Natural rubber is a polymer of. The correct answer is option number C, isoprene. Question number 43. Greenhouse gas is the correct answer is option number C, carbon dioxide. Question number 44. Acid rain is caused by the correct answer is option number B, SO2 and NO2. Question number 45. Aspirin is the correct answer is option number A, pain reliever. Question number 46. Detergent are more effective than soap in the correct answer is option number B, hard water. Thank you guys.